Hello everyone, welcome you all to this new video of Trader Vader. Market has opened up about 30 minutes back and it's continuously falling. These are the support and resistances, guys, from yesterday's high, yesterday's struggle zone. The market opened up here and almost, if you see it, as soon as it opened, it started to fall and there's a direct fall. There's the 15-minute chart. This is my first support area. This from these zones I carry that this was the resistance and then it broke and then took support here. So this is my support area. It is trading right now in the support area. My next support area is this one if it breaks and comes here. So I'm not looking to sell today because it has already fallen around 100 points and there will be a lot of trapping in the selling side probably. So I'm looking to buy, but if it keeps making huge moves, like a huge selling candle and then a huge buying candle, obviously there's nothing that I can do. But if there is some sort of price action at this zone, let's say if this candle forms and then there is some sort of down move and then up move, then down move, up move, and then if I get a price action like this and then if it tries to break and then another higher high formation, then that is where I would like to enter. If there is no I would say if if the market doesn't look like exhausting on the selling side, then and if it continues to sell, then I would like to look for some sort of sideways movement here and then a break on the downside. That is where probably I would like to sell. But let's see how the market turns out. All in all, I'm looking forward to a buying. I want to be on the buying side today. Not that the market is going to reverse and go up, but I want to see a good selling and then the exhaustion of selling, and then probably when it tries to give a bigger retracement on the buy side, I would like to enter somewhere. So let's see how it turns out, guys. So here's what happened if we look at the chart, 1 minute chart here. Traders who were looking to sell because they saw this down move since morning, the move that happened from here to here. Traders who were looking to sell, what would they be thinking? If we try to analyze that, then we will understand why there was a huge trapping today in the markets. So traders who are looking to sell, they would either look for an up move to fail, or they would look for a retracement up to the VWAP, or they would look for some sort of price action in the resistance zone to sell, or they would look for the Fibonacci levels. So now what happens is, if we see here from lows to the highs, we can't really draw a steep trend line, but if we look at it like this and just think back-to-back green candles, and then there is some sort of price rejection in this zone. So there are a lot of traders who are going to be trapped in this area, in this area. And I attempted a shorting once in this area, which clearly failed because the stop loss was hit here. Then what happened? Then if I see the price action again, let's say if I draw the trend line from here till here, here is a breakdown, and traders who are thinking of selling, they would obviously think that okay, this is a resistance zone and the price is broken the trend line, so they will short here. And even I attempted to short in this region. I was in the profit for some time, but then when the price came back to this zone, I exited. Now what happens? Now as soon as you exit, and remember you have a bias of selling, and you see that okay, price just bounced back from here, but then when I exited here, there is another rejection here, another rejection here. So I kind of got trapped again, and I'm sure there are a lot of retail traders who got trapped here as well, in the selling side, and then price just started to go back. And then when it broke this, I kind of thought, okay, so this is it. I think now the price has broken out of the zone, so probably it will break out and go up, and that is where I went long. And then it broke out, it took the highs of this area, took the stop losses, and then it started to go down again. So it was really, I would say, a tough day, especially for traders who were thinking of selling. If we talk about the buyers, even the buyers will eventually get trapped, because if you see this chart, guys, there are no area where you can actually buy and then hold on to it. If you look at this, because see, just think, if you're buying at the breakout, you bought at the breakout of this highs were taken out here, you bought here, you buy here, the next candle is a shooting star and the price comes down. If you're scalping, your stop loss is probably hit in this area. If your stop loss is below here in options chart, that gets hit too. If your stop loss is here, let's say, and if you have bought here at the breakout, the stop loss is taken away right here. So even the buyers were trapped today. Now let's say if you're thinking, okay, I'll buy when this particular trend line breaks. Now you bought here, let's say, the price slowly and gradually is moving up, you're happy, and then it start to come down, starts to go up, you're holding on to the trade, now it hits your stop loss here. Just see, guys, how both buyers and sellers were trapped today. Now there will be buyers who will think, okay, I'll buy at a very good price, probably this is the support zone, and probably if they are buying at the break of this trend line somewhere here, then their stop loss is hit. If they're selling somewhere here, as you can see right now, their stop losses will be hit. So all in all, guys, I I got sucked into this trapping, and I'm sure a lot of retail traders got sucked into this trapping as well. So it was a tough day today, but I think these are the learnings which are going to make us a good trader in future. See you in the next video, guys.